Hillsborough County, Florida, Team 1 can step forward, and this is a grade 6 program, Mission 5 flight experiment. All the Mission 5 experiments have come down from low Earth orbit, as has Mission 6, by the way. Kalamazoo, Michigan is on deck.
Hi, my name is Miranda Corbo.
I'm Isabel Utzler.
I'm Srinati Raghavan.
And we are from Mission 5, Hillsborough County. And our essential question is, will microgravity affect the growth/germination of lettuce seeds? We started this project as 5th graders at Fishhawk Creek Elementary, and we finished this project in 6th grade at Randall Middle School. The purpose of this experiment is to observe the effect of microgravity on the growth/germination of lettuce seeds. Our experiment will measure the rate of the germination of lettuce seeds. Seed germination is so critical and not very well understood in microgravity. Lettuce and other vegetables will expand the in-orbit food capabilities and will allow for astronauts to have fresh food aboard the ISS.
Our project timeline begins in September of 2013 when we came together and started brainstorming ideas for our project. In November of the same year, we perfected and proposed our idea to SSEP. In December of 2013, we found out that our project was selected for flight. In January through June of the next year, we perfected and worked on our Earth-based data. In July of 2014, our project went up in flight to the ISS. In October of the same year, our project returned back to Earth and we collected data. Of the ground truth data, the early seeds, which had 14 days to germinate, 4 out of 10 lettuce seeds germinated. Of the late seeds, we had 6 out of 10 germinate, and late had 5 days to germinate. We had 75% mold growth because cotton, so yeah.
In our space data, the early group of seeds, 3 out of 10 lettuce seeds germinated. However, in the late group of seeds, 1 out of 10 lettuce seeds germinated. The overall mold percentage was 100%. This is a graph of the data we collected on how many lettuce seeds germinated out of 10. The graph does not go all the way up to 10 because the number of lettuce seeds that germinated did not go over 7.
In conclusion, microgravity reduces the growth/germination rate of lettuce seeds. What we found interesting is that microgravity increases the mold growth rate by 25%.
We were lucky to Skype with Joya Massa, who is a head scientist of another lettuce seed project called Veg01.
It was on the ISS around the same time our project was selected.
She suggested that felt might be a better idea than cotton because cotton contains a fiber that promotes mold growth.
Unfortunately, we had already submitted our project to SSEP, so we couldn't change it.
Thanks to our sponsors, Suncoast Credit Union and the Florida Space Consortium.
Thank you to SSEP, NanoRacks, and Hillsborough County Schools for their support.
Much appreciation to our families who made it all possible.
Thank you.
And you ladies were 6th graders?
We started this in 5th grade.
In 5th grade as well. Very, very nice job. With the help of all of our teams, we are actually picking up a lot of time, so I am actually going to bring in questions now. And so you are all invited to ask this team questions. What you'll need to do is come to this microphone, state your name and state where you're from, and ask a question. And we encourage other SSEP researchers, teachers, parents, everybody to ask a couple of questions. Does anybody want to ask? This is the Hillsborough team. Anybody want to ask a question of the Hillsborough team?
I'm Alex from New York, and you said that the cotton would hinder the lettuce growth. So do you still think that your results are reliable even though you use the cotton?
Well, we didn't say cotton hinders the growth. We said that it contains a fiber that promotes mold growth.
So do you think that your results are still reliable even though it promotes the mold growth?
Well, I think that they could have been more reliable if we had used a different substance, like felt, but we still think they're reliable.
All right, thank you.
My name is Nora, and I'm from New York. If you were to do one thing better, or change your experiment a little bit to make it better, what would you do?
Not use cotton and use felt.
All right, let's thank the Hillsborough County team.